Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06 due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity. Your access to Snapchat has been temporarily disabled. So guys, if you try to log in your Snapchat account and you are facing the error like this, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all guys, let me tell you that if your account is logged in other device and you are going to log in a different device, that's why maybe you are facing the error like this. And maybe if you are giving you the password and your password is incorrect, that's why you're facing the error like this. Just simply you have to remove your account from other device, or you have to forget your password by email or phone number and try to enter a new password that you have reset it. Okay guys, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And upon register guys, first of all you have to update your app. You have to open App Store, Play Store, and there you have to search for the app and make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, just simply have to update the app. Once you have done this, guys, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, let me tell you that if you're using Wi-Fi to log in your account, just simply you have to turn it into mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, turn it into Wi-Fi. And after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And upon this guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the settings app, then you have to scroll it on, tap on general. Now from here guys, you have to go to iPhone store, and Android phone you have to go to apps. From here you have to upload the app, and there you have to clear cache or clear storage of the app. Once you have done this guys, after that you have to turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it on again, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And upon this guys, then you have to wait for 3 or 6 hours, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.